Today, we're solving permutation problems where items stay together. Let's say we have the word creed, and we want to arrange its letters so that the E's are always together. How many unique arrangements can we get? One method of doing this is to list out all the possibilities with the E's together and count them. There are 24 possible unique arrangements. As you can see, this approach is too tedious and lengthy. A more effective approach would be the box method. We have 5 letters. Since the E's need to be together, we'll treat them as a single item. Now we have 4 units. For box 1, we have 4 choices C, R, EE, or D. Once an item is placed in box 1, there will be only 3 choices for box 2. 2 items now remain, so 2 only choices for the third box, which means for box 4, we have only 1 choice. To get the total number of arrangements, we multiply the numbers in the box. That's 4 factorial, which is 24, the same amount when we listed and counted them. Let's look at a variation to the problem just completed. Suppose we have the word cread, and we want to arrange its letters so that E and A are always together. We have 5 letters, C, R, E, A, D. Since E and A need to be together, we can treat them as a single unit, EA or AE. Now we have 4 units. Let's use the box method to represent each item. For box 1, we have 4 choices, C, R, EA or AE, and D. For box 2, we have 3 choices for the remaining items. For box 3, we have 2 choices, and for box 4, we have 1 choice. Now, in the previous problem, 2 E's were together, so even if the order was switched, it wouldn't matter. However, for this problem, E and A are 2 distinct letters that can be arranged in 2 factorial ways, EA or AE. So we need to multiply the numbers in the box by 2 factorial. Therefore, the total number of arrangements equals 48. How many ways can we arrange the letters in algebra so that the letters L, G, and E always stay together? Algebra has 7 letters. Since the L, G, and E need to be together, we can group and treat them as a single item, LGE. So now we have 5 items. Let's use 5 boxes to represent the 5 items. In the first box, we have 5 choices. Once one of the 5 items is placed in the first box, we are down to 4 choices for the second box. After placing 2 of the items in the first 2 boxes, only 3 choices remain for the third box, then 2 choices for the fourth box, and only 1 choice left for the final box. Now, inside one of the boxes is the unit LGE. The letters within the unit LGE can be arranged in 3 factorial ways, since it consists of 3 distinct items. So we need to multiply the numbers in the boxes by 3 factorial. Additionally, we need to divide by 2 factorial, since 2 of the items are identical. That's the 2 A's. So the total number of arrangements equals 3 factorial over 2 factorial times the numbers in the box, which is same as 5 factorial. So our final solution, 360 ways. 5 girls and 3 boys are to form a line. How many ways can the line be formed if the girls must always stand together? To solve this problem, we treat the 5 girls as a single unit, since they must always stand together, and then arrange that unit along with the 3 boys. So we treat it the same as if we are arranging 4 distinct items. The number of ways to arrange 4 items is 4 factorial ways. But remember, inside the unit block with the 5 girls, they can switch positions among themselves in 5 factorial ways. So, our final answer is 5 factorial times 4 factorial, which is 120 times 24, which gives 2,880. So, there are 2,880 ways to form the line if the girls must always stand together. Join us in the next video, when we will be looking at permutations where certain items must not be beside each other. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Remember to share and subscribe. See you soon.